Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some modeling audition hacks for you. Hey guys, Allie with NGM Modeling. Let's get to work here. So the first modeling audition hack is that you should be prepared with some exploratory questions for the agency that you're going to be auditioning for, but just be real careful that this isn't really about you grilling them for 30 minutes. They are on a schedule and they do have models lined up for various times, and you know, if you find that you have more questions or concerns, just keep in mind and be mindful of the fact that you're not the only model there, that there are other models on the schedule as well. So definitely have some courtesy for those models that are coming behind you, and you can always ask for, hey, is there another time where we could, you know, maybe talk a little bit more, but also keep in mind that this is going to be a red flag for them as you know, possible problems down the line in working. So just do your research before you even audition so that this doesn't really become a bigger issue when you're trying to audition for someone. Next up is to be ready to show your influence. So if you've got analytics from your social media accounts for your audience and your reach and your views and different things like that, this is going to be very impressive when you bring this in during an audition and say, hey, it shows the agency that you're working towards something, that you're already putting an effort in. And so this is going to show very well for you that you are able to do this. Not necessarily just because you have an influence, but it's showing that you are a professional and that you're putting work in and that you're putting effort in. Next is definitely be ready to do some walks for them and be ready to do some poses in front of the camera for a photographer as well for them. So be prepared with those two things. If you don't have a ton of experience with walking and with posing, guys, we have tons of videos here on the channel on different types of runway walks and lots of different photo shoot suggestions, tips, and practicing videos as well. So make sure you guys are checking those out because we have lots of stuff on here for you. Next is to bring more than one comp card. If you're running low before you get to the audition, order some more so that you can bring more than one. Sometimes it's not just they're working individually. It could be an audition for more than one agency or an audition for more than one project. So just be prepared with more than just one comp card when you show up there. And then last one is, it's really a great idea to go ahead and do a behind the scenes video of what you're doing, because you don't know what this is gonna turn into. And in the future, this could be really amazing. Like, oh my gosh, this is the agency that discovered me. Then you have this incredible behind the scenes video of you auditioning for this agency or for this casting director. So don't forget to do that too. Have a good time, relax, and be confident. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you soon.